What's up? Wake up, wealth up, everyone. It is Melanie Williams, your mompreneur and deal diva of the 21st century, coming to you from Booteek House Enterprises. Just wanted to stop by and just give you guys a little bit of information. I get a lot of people asking me, what it is that I do, or how's it going? We see what you've been posting. We like the information, and I'm great that you guys are finding value in what I post. I'm happy that I'm able to assist other people, because that's what I'm all about, helping other people to get this finance thing together. Me and my husband have learned quite a few things, and we just want to be able to share that information with others. Speaking of sharing, I don't know if some of you have seen it. Got a flyer here. But this Saturday, which is tomorrow, today is Friday, in Harvey, Illinois, from 11:30 to 1:30 at 165th in Halstead, 16544 South Halstead is where this will be. You get to learn the power of income shifting. So if you're someone who's working right now and you're looking at your checks and you're wondering how you can get more done with the money that you're already making, if you're someone who has a business and you're wanting to know how to scale your business, how to keep good records for your business, this is something that you want to attend. If you're somebody in the middle, you working, you got a business, or you're thinking about starting a business, maybe you're retired and you had to get that part-time retirement job, this is something that you will want to take advantage of too. The information is free. You can't beat this financial education. You just can't. It's nothing that um, there's nothing that you'll hear that you've already heard before. There's always an extra takeaway. Every time I sit through one of these, I always get something extra that I can take away, that I can apply to my life. So I invite you all out to come out on tomorrow, Saturday, good Lord, July 7th, 2018, Saturday, July 7th, 2018, to Harvey, Illinois. The address is 16544 South Halstead. We'll be there starting from 11:30 to 1:30. You guys don't want to miss this. Come on out.